Welcome. If you want to block ads in your OnePlus Nord, I'm going to show you how you can do this in the really easy way. So for the first, we have to go for the Play Store and get there the Opera Mini browser, and when you got it, you can open it. Right now, accept all of the requests and click on this icon in the right corner. And here we have to just check if the ad blocking is turned on. And it is. So right now we can enter the website, for example, this one. And as you can see right here, we get the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the Adverts Plus. So right now when we scroll down the website, we cannot find here any ads. So we don't have to connect any external application. There's only one, the Opera Mini. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.